Hey guys, I'm back again. Right now I am doing a detailing job on a 2015 Ford F150. Um, ain't no car company can make it easy, but I already broke something, as you see. I barely, I didn't even touch it and it just broke off. But that's probably due to heat or whatever. But right now I'm trying to take the seat out. I'm trying to take this connector off right here. So what I did was I was just trying to figure it out. You have this little tab here, or this little lever. So what you do is this is a tab that holds it in place. I just took a flathead and just pushed that down until it came off, and then alright, let me do that real quick. Let's see if I can position this so you guys can see. Alright, so I did just push this down, and this one side down, right? And then now you could move it. Once you have it taken off of this tab, you can move it up like this, and then this will be able to come out like that. Bam. And then once you get that done, then you can start taking this piece off. See how I can take this piece off. This is weird. Let's see. So, like I said, these engineers don't make anything easy nowadays. So, I'm going to have to... I don't want to break that either. Once I could get this thing off, I know. Golly. It's like pulling teeth trying to take this thing out. Oh, there we go. Just wiggled out, whatever. Alright guys, if you got anything else you want me to do in the near future, I will be doing more cars, taking seats out, doing detailing jobs. So I'll keep on making videos. Like I said, I make these videos because I can't really find anything on the internet, or on YouTube at least. So just like and subscribe, share. If you got any other advice or questions, just let me know. Follow me on Instagram at the_official_FA5. See y'all guys later.